So everybody from class 2, did you open your math magic book, student? Did you? Okay. So open the page number 78 as it written on the board. So can you see there is also some animals who are holding some points. Point, it shows as a number. I mean, they also play some game, and then after that they also done some score, and that we have to be find out that how much they have done. So this time the kangaroo, chimp, deer, giraffe and tiger came to play. That's mean on the first day the play starts, and today they also come. I mean, on our first class we have started with whom? We have started with elephant, lion, tortoise, deer, fox, monkey, isn't it? And today those animals also come. But the tiger lost the game. You know, when the Bunnu has, pointing everyone marks how much score they are doing in their play. So tiger lost the game, and you can see the face of the tiger. It's become very angry, isn't it? And what he had done, he rubbed off some points in anger. I mean, he becomes so angry, and he rubbed the, when you are become so angry, that's why sometimes rubbing your some written portion on the copy inside your copy. In the same way, tiger rub also these things. Write the missing point, and then after that you have to be find out that who owned the game. Okay, so look at the tiger first. So we will start from the tiger. Okay, we will start from the tiger. So Tiger, tiger. Can you see 16 plus something is there equal to 21. It means with 16 we have to be add some number which make it 21. Tiger, 16 plus something that make 21. So in this case what we will do? So after 16 you start counting. Whenever 21 will come, you will stop. Okay, after 16, see 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it is the 5. So 5, this is the missing number that he rubbed. Then after that look at the giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe, box plus 8 equal to 32. Baapre, 32. So how we will understand? So in this case you can do one thing. My first process, that's mean with 8 we have to be add something that we get 32. So in that case you can count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, then 29, 30, 31, 32. That's mean this here 20 and here 4. It's become 24. This is the long process. But how you can do this one? If you subtract 8 from 32, you will get also the answer. So it becomes 4 and 2. Do you understand? In this way also you can do. Then after that it's the time for the deer. DEER. Look at the deer. 16 plus 13. 16 plus 13, how much? 16 plus 13, 29. Very good. Then after that, the chimp. 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 How much chimp? dash plus 5 equal to 35. This one is very easy. 35. So we will subtract 5, means this 5 from the final answer. So we will get 30. Okay. Now, Bapre, it is the time for kangaroo. Kangaroo. So kangaroo 23 plus something which make 30. So what we will do? Simple thing, we will do the subtraction. 23 minus from this and we will get 7. Isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now say me, who is the winner? Who is the winner here? The chimp is the winner. So in your book, look at here. Can you see the second red colored star? The second red colored star. Who is the winner of this game? Can you see? Here? Hey, who is 40? Oh, Schmidt, which one is 40? Here no one make 40. So who is the winner this time? So write down CHIMP. Chimp is the winner. Okay. So this page also we have done. Okay, now come to the next page. Head and tails. So you can see that they have shown you that in a coin which side is called heads and which part is called tails. So have you seen the two side of a rupee coin? Means it's a 1 rupee coin. Which side has 1? Which side has 1? Which side has 1? The tail side has 1. Ma'am, side. Okay. So which side? Tails. So pour the tick on the tail. Pour a tick on the tails. Okay, Ankita? Now, Shamina and Shadiq or Shadik are playing. The board has numbers from 1 to 99. So can you see the brown color, little bit brown color or something orangish color board here from 1 to 99, and also 100 is home. So it has been written, and this is a playing how they toss a coin. If it is head, they will move 10 steps from bottom, means from the start. And if it is tail, then they will move only 1 step. So this one, if you want to play, you can draw the same board at home in your copy, and with your parents or with your brothers or sister you can play. So we will move for the next page number 80. Page number 80. 2 at a time. Fast. Am I rub the board? Two at a time. Two at a time. Okay. Chintu and Mintu. Can you see the picture of Chintu and Mintu, student? Students. Sami, have you seen the picture? Can you see the picture of Chintu and Mintu? Can you see the picture of Chintu and Mintu? Yes. Can you tell me who looking more beautiful? Who looking beautiful here? Can you say me who looking good here? Who looking good to you? Chintu or Mintu? So Deboshmita said Mintu and Oshmi said Chintu. That means Chintu, Mintu, all of are looking good here. You can see the girl is wearing a bindi. That's like all of you, all of the girls, and the boy. This is boy, na? Yes, boy is wearing a is a long pant. Good, it's looking good. One day we have to tell all the boys to wear this type of shirts and all the girls to wear this type of skirts. Then after that we can see now that how all of you looks. Okay, now come to the topic. So Chintu and Mintu went shopping. So already we have done our all the shopping parts, isn't it? Our Puja vacation, Christmas vacation, and Eid, Muharram, everything over, I think. So our shopping part is also. So they brought some things. Okay, now everybody look at the book first. They brought some things. Okay, to pay they used notes and coins, but only two at a time. Okay. So there they have shown you the picture of rupees and coin. So look at the book, which rupees and coin you can use. You can use 10 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note. This is 1 rupee or 2, yes, this is 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. Okay. Now what is the rule for paying the money? They can use only two. They can use only two. Means look at the book. Sorry, look at the below. There are some picture of bat, book, ball, dress and shirt. Now look at here, student. Bat. What is the price of the bat? It's 20 rupees. Now see, student, 20 rupees note they have already, but still they are paying 10 rupee note, 10 rupee note. Why? Because here the instruction has been given that they can use only 2 notes. Means 3 notes they can't use, and also 1 note I think they can't use. So you have to draw 2 notes. It can be 1 note, 1 coin or 2 coin, okay, in this way. So start from the book. So book, now tell me, you all know how to draw the note and coin. Now tell me, for the book, what the note you will take or what the coins you will take. There are so many students. Why only few students are typing? All of you tell me. Okay. It's Hriddhi. Hriddhi says 5 plus 5. But Oshmi says 5 plus 5 coins. Very good. You have to tell coins and notes. So okay, Oshmi, draw the 5. So for the books, we will draw. What is the price of books? It is rupees 10, isn't it? So for it, we will draw a 5 rupees coin and a 5 rupees coin. Okay? Okay. Now it's the time for the ball. ball. So what is the price of the ball? It is 40 rupees. So now tell me which notes are... Okay, already answered me. Who? Kaushik Ghosh. 20 plus 20 note. Very good. My students all become intelligent day by day. So 20 rupees note. 20 rupees note. Then after that, it's which? What she buy? The shirt is I-R-T. Shirt. Shirt is rupees 60. So say me for rupees 60. For rupees 60. What happened in Dakshi? Dress. I have written shirt. You are saying dress. Okay. I am given here dress also. Okay. In alternative. TRSS. 50 rupees. Okay. Hey, now same student, I can't understand. Can you see the girl who having two ponytails? What she buy? Ponytails or hairband? What it is? 25 rupees? Look at the girl who is wearing a blue color skirt. Doll. Okay. Who is told me? Oshmi. Thank you, Oshmi. I thought that she bought dress. That's what I'm saying. Thank you. 25. Tell me what the notes or coins Chintu Mintu will pay through the 20 plus 20 note and 20 rupees note and 5 rupee coin. Very good. Okay, everybody done? Mute your audio. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so up to this much today we will do. On the next class, on our next class, we will do the next part. I think within next class we can complete this chapter also. Now say me everybody that do you understand everything? Do you understand everything? Is there any problem regarding all those things? Okay. Okay. So up to this much, okay, for today.